YouTube channel Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up Dark Tunnel VPN for a fast connection, a secure connection, a stable connection in all countries, all regions, and on all networks. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this if you are new on this YouTube channel, and don't forget to share, don't forget to drop a like, and that is it. So I'm going to start by opening Google Play Store, and then once I open Google Play Store, I'm going to search for this application, Dark Tunnel. I will search for Dark Tunnel VPN. Don't forget to subscribe. So this is the application I was talking about. It is from Uganda developers, and that is the icon, and that is the name. So make sure to download using Google Play Store to add an extra layer of security on your device. So download and then after open. Now this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are also to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So allow all permissions, including the notification permissions that will be requested to you by this application. And then you will see a welcome notice, which is welcome to Dark Tunnel, the high speed UDP boost for streaming, and that is it. You can read for yourself, just check OK. This is how you're going to set it right now. So you can set it by creating an application. We're going to set it like this. You're going to come where you see auto select server right here, and then we're going to look for a server that is near to your country's location, or a server that is from your country's location. They are all UDP servers. So in this case, I'll try to use the Spain UDP3. And then after, the next thing, I will talk about these protocols: the UDP protocol, Super DNS protocol, and the X-ray protocol. So if you want to use any of those protocols, you are free to use, but this one may be working on Leica, and this one may be working on other networks. But I recommend you to use UDP protocol in all countries and on all networks. So after, you're going to press the start, accept the connection request, and then it will be connected.
Quick reminder that incognito mode does not help.
It will be connected, and that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Tech, and I sign out. Don't forget to subscribe.